In Augusta, government watchdogs issuing their final report after an investigation into late payments to daycares sparked by reporting from 8 Investigates. Chief investigative reporter Nora Hogan breaks down the findings.
This is a story we've been covering for over a year now. Most daycares operate on very slim margins, and we found that the State Department of Health and Human Services has been late to pay some providers for foster care kids. Now government watchdogs are out with a new report that has recommendations for how DHHS can improve. Being told to send invoices to email addresses that weren't being used, government workers who didn't realize the department was on the hook for paying late fees, and lack of communication with providers. The Office of Program Evaluation and Government Accountability identified a series of issues that caused some daycares to be paid weeks late.
I call it intentional incompetence. You kind of know if you've got an account that no one's monitoring. It's pretty easy.
OPEGA analyzed a 3-month sample of invoices and found that while most invoices are paid within 30 days, late invoices had the potential to go off the rails with long wait times and challenges for providers who tried to follow up.
I have people that have been, 90 to 100 days that aren't getting paid. As a state senator or as a state representative, people don't call you unless they've hit exasperation.
Right now, invoices can be mailed, faxed, or emailed, and they're sent to a series of different offices around the state.
They tell you to send it to caseworkers, and they tell you all these different ways to bill. So you blindly follow the guidance, or misguidance actually, and you send it to the caseworkers, and you keep doing that, and then come to find out they're not even there anymore.
The system isn't uniform, and some offices have better track records than others. OPEGA made a series of recommendations. The director of DHHS said that they'll work to improve training and streamline the invoice system. They hope to do so by the end of the year.
It's going to take a year to implement fixes that I probably feel that we could fix within a month.
And this investigation has shed light on issues outside of DHHS as well. They discovered that some district email servers were set to auto-delete unsaved emails after 30 days, raising questions about whether that's happening in other state agencies as well, a practice that would violate public access laws that require most emails to be retained for 2 years. In Augusta, I'm Nora Hogan for 8 Investigates.